Petros and I were alone in the house, and there was a knock on the door. I didn't think. I just opened it. There were two men in masks. They put us in a car in an SUV. They tied us up.
Where did they take you?
I don't know. They put a bag over my head. I couldn't see. We drove for what seemed like hours, and then we stopped.
Get out! You tell Sadiq he had this on himself.
No, Dad! No! I got lost. No, Petros is gone.
And the other man, Julia, did you recognize his voice?
I tried to listen, but they had the music up very loud because Petros was crying. Does Sadiq know that he found me?
Not yet.
He'll blame me. I'm as good as dead.
I don't get why they let Julia go.
But she doesn't matter to Sadiq. His son does.
Yeah, but she can ID Artie. Why take the chance?
Well, apparently Artie's not the one in charge. It's the other guy. And the clerk at the gas station get a good look at him.
No, he only saw Artie.
Jack, Sadiq's lawyer's in the lobby, and he's pissed that you sent him downtown.
Do me a favor, install him, will you? Come on. I know what I'm doing.
Where's Petros?
They still have him.
Where's Julia? I want to see her.
We have her in protective custody, but she just wants to speak to you. Two men abducted them. One of them was Artie Lazar.
Artie.
Can't talk to him either. Shot him in the head. Second man had a message for you. He says that you brought this on yourself.
What else?
It's possible that Julia was sexually assaulted. Who's the second man?
I like that. Raped.
Is he from the outside? Or is he one of your own crew? Just get me in there.
Go to hell. I could have found Petros if it wasn't for you dragging me in here. If anything happens to my son, I swear to
The
God.
reason that Petros was abducted was because of you, not me.
Give me a gun.
I know you want to do this yourself, but I'm telling you it's a bad idea. It will not end well. Yeah, just let's interrogation room. Bring Martin with you, and do not lose him.
Why did you bring me here? I'm just a waitress in the club. I don't know about Sadiq's guys.
Do you know Artie Lazar?